and welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha. This is the Budget Mum UK. Today I've got lots and lots and lots of lovely money to stuff because finally I've got some Etsy money come in and I've got some new sneak peek envelopes to show you, which I know you are going to love. So come on in. Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha and the Budget Mum UK, and on this channel we concentrate on lots of budgeting ideas, my finances, trying to get through life, as crazy as it may well seem at times, and giving out lots of hints and tips basically on how you can live a really good life, still have lots of fun, but still also make sure you're not spending too much money. Hints, tips, hacks. I live a great life. I don't like spending money unnecessarily. I do like spending money. If you think that's of interest to you, then I would absolutely love it if you would hit that little subscribe button, hit the little like, and hit that little bell so that you know every single time that I upload a video. Do you want to know every single time I upload a video? Maybe. So if you've already subscribed, it's going to be one of those. If you're already subscribed, then you already know how much I love you. You're amazing. Thank you so much. Right. So, yeah, I've got my Etsy money in. Finally. It's been weeks and weeks and weeks. It's been great. And to complement that, I've got some very nice envelopes that I've designed for Pride Month this month. So this month is Pride Month. And I really liked these ones. I'm just taking them out of the envelope, but I'll show you. I do have several other designs. I've just done these two for today. How lush is this? I love this one with the splatter. And I've actually designed it to go in one of the little zipper wallets. And you can get them in the zipper wallet, so you can get them in the A7 or the A6, you know, with the hole punches. You know what I do. You know what I like. I've also got this one. It's like a paint spill type thing. I can either do it this way, or I quite liked it this way, where the paint falls down. So again, same idea. I've just popped them into envelopes. I decided it was time I upgraded my own self, my own budget. I'm giving myself an eating out envelope. I'm giving myself a concerts one, but I'm actually going to double up on this one. So I'm going to use this as part of one of my challenges. That's since the Ed Sheeran incident, I'm like, I need to get to more concerts. Days out are really useful for when I've got the children and it's summer coming up, so I thought that'd be great. And little secret, I've now got this envelope. That's all I'm saying on that. Right, you don't care about that. You don't care about that. But I'm going to get stuck into my huge Etsy cash stuffing. You want to see how much it is? Let's go. Okay, so here we are. And this is how much I have got to stuff. A little bit of change here. And then I should have, fingers crossed, a grand total of £634.90. That is insane. That is insane. Which is, to be fair, it's like my money. I've been working for it for a long while. It's just finally come in, thanks to Etsy. So I've had two of my stores on lockdown. Only one of them wasn't, but I don't really sell a lot. I have sold some this week, so it's been a bit fraught. So let's have a look where I'm going to put my money, where it's not going to go. I feel like the sensible person in me is saying, look, let's not touch these fluid envelopes just yet, because like I've already done the budgeting for it and I don't really need any money in them. And like, yeah, I've already done the budget for it and I really ought to be putting it into my sinking funds So that's what I feel like, that's what a grown-up would do, right? I feel like that's a thing. So I'm going to leave that there for now. No, ordinarily though, that being said, I probably would put date night. In fact, yeah, I think these three would probably go into my fluid envelope one. And this one is going to go into my challenges. So I was going to make a new wallet anyway for my puzzle challenge that I got, because some of it is changed and it was going to be a mess if I want to finally get to, where is it? So like where I've got 1s and 2s and things are going to start sliding out. So I think what I'm going to do is, even though it's puzzle challenge, it's going to be for my concerts. So we'll do the puzzle challenge towards my concerts. Does that make sense? So I'm going to switch this up. So it's 25 already in there. That's okay. And I might use some of the change from this. But not yet. I haven't decided. You know what I'm like. We'll put it in here, I think, like that. So it's at the back. And then I know where I'm at. So yeah, let's pop that in. Sorry, puzzle challenge envelope, you're going. Let's put that away for now. So, this is really good. It means I should be able to hit some of my targets for this month. I've got in here my debt one, emergency, school, Holly, Alexander, and car repairs. What's my other car one? Where is it? Being silly. So, I know, like, look, I've already said I'm being sensible and I'm not doing the sinking funds one, but if I was super sensible, I'd put it all in debt. That's not me. So let's divvy some of this up. Let's get, I'm trying to start with the least important one. I'm going to put 60 in. So, no, that school isn't important. That came up wrong. I mean, like, the one that I don't need so soon. It's a school. Oh, I can put some in there. The car repairs. The bills are due. Gosh. 20, 40, 60, 80. Let's get 100 into that car repairs. Thank you to everyone who's messaged about the Mavericks. I do. They are booked in. Their ears. Cheers. The car. They. Them. It's going in. It's in. It's not in yet. It's about to go in. So I'll await that nice surprise of a bill. Holly and Alec. Where's my money gone? Oh, do you know? Anyway, 20, 40, 60, 20, 40, 60. I think I was going to say whatever the bill is for the car. If there's any left, I might put it in somewhere else. But that seems a bit, I don't know. I might have a shufty around at the end of this month when I know where things are standing, just to even things up a little bit. They're done. They're done. That's done. Car and emergency. I started to put some more towards that one, didn't I? What have I got left? Let me see. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60. I think I've got some more good news as well coming up about some money. So I'll have to fill you in on that one. Let me have a look. I'm going to come back to this, but I'm going to do challenges, I think. Gosh, why do I keep doing this? It's because I'm trying to do it without clicking it loud on the... It doesn't even make a leg click. So, I ought to have a rainy day envelope. Why did I not make myself one of those? I feel like some of these have been neglected. Jess's 18th. Where did I get to with that? I wanted at least 100. I can top this one up. That needs... Let's get 30 in there. And then I've met that then, haven't I? I'm going to do a bit of digging around it about those licenses. If anyone's interested, I might make a video on it. And I need to... We've got to... I think I keep forgetting to colour this in. Maybe I do. Maybe I don't. No. 20, 40, 60. According to this, I've probably got 80 in there. I must have had another... What have we got in here? take it out and then I can see. 50, 60, 70. Oh, silly me. Right, let's leave it there. Put that tab back. Pull it in so I've got my 100 in. I put a goal of 250. I don't think that's going to happen. Oh, I don't know. Maybe it will. Maybe I'm winning the lottery this weekend. Kind of need to put the lottery on to do that, but we'll. There you go. That's that one. Oh, I've got a £2 coin for my £2 coin drop. That's that one. And let's put some money in. Oh, let's see what we've got here. One. Let's do. Well, let's do a 12 one on my concerts now because I can. Okay, and then the rest, I think, penny challenge and my debt. So that means I've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40. Gosh, that's a lot. 340 going into my debt. That feels really good, actually. I'm looking forward to seeing how much I've chipped away at the debt by the end of this month. And then I've got 90 pence left. I don't actually know whether that's a free space or not on here. Can't get it. I'm stuck. Yeah, okay, so I can do the exact, I'll do exactly 90 because I can. And chipping away. I made my mum one of these. She's like, she loves it. She loves it. Just the penny saving challenge. She's obsessed at the moment. So she keeps telling me she's one of those who always finds like money on the street, even like it's copper, whatever. She's like, it's going in my penny saving challenge. It's costing me nothing. Like, great. Whatever floats your boat. Right, that is me all done. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you so much for supporting my Etsy store and making this video possible, making my debt payments possible. Yeah, I haven't decided actually yet whether to put those envelopes on. I'm going to be closing my Etsy store probably tomorrow because I'm having a massive big relaunch of lots of things. Some things are disappearing, some things are staying. I've got lots of new things going on there. I'm having a rejazz of the actual store itself. So if you want something, I suppose get it tonight, unless you can wait until it reopens. I don't know when it's going to reopen. Just depends how long it takes me to get everything up and done and final. So yay. Thank you so much for joining me and I'll see you soon. Bye.